In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to connect Tradovate to TradingView. So basically, we're gonna have to go to TradingView and then simply open the trading panel at the bottom. Now, after we do that, we just have to click on the search button and then simply search for the Tradovate broker. Now simply click on it, and as you can see, we have two different options. So we can start trading live with real money or demo. We just have to enter our username and password and then click on connect. Now, if you don't have an account, you just have to go to their official website, which is tradovate.com, and then you just have to click on open account. After that, you're gonna get redirected here, where you're gonna have to simply sign up either with Google or with your email. So basically that's all you have to do in order to connect this broker to TradingView. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.